Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Gemini on Android screen to reduce battery drain if not in use. So if your Gemini always popping up on your Android screen and draining your battery, let's turn it off in seconds with this new update. So Gemini is a Google's AI assistant, but if you are not using it, it can keep running in the background and it can be used the battery and data on your phone. So the step-by-step to turn it off, you can start by unlocking your phone and then go to the settings, and in here scroll to apps or apps and notifications, this one. Then you can just click on see all apps, and in here find Gemini in the list. This one in here, click on it, and then what you need to do here is just tap on disable or force stop. Click on OK, and if Gemini is set as your default assistant, you can go to apps. Here's setting apps, and then go find the default apps options, this one, and find this app in here, this option, a digital assistant app, and then you can select none or Google Assistant instead. So while you're here, you can also go to the settings and find the battery settings. So let's just go back first and click on the battery options, and in here you need to choose the battery optimizations, this one, and find Gemini and set it into restricted for even more battery savings. And that's it. So Gemini is now off your screen and won't drain your battery anymore. So to sum up, you can just go to your phone settings and find Gemini on your app list and disable and or force stop it to stop it from draining your battery. So guys, if you want more Android tips like this, you can hit that like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.